Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming eligibility and gathering documents. First, verify that your workforce or self falls under the ESI wage ceiling, then assemble PAN, Aadhaar, bank, and address proofs. Once done, obtain the employer code from the local ESI office and prepare basic payroll entries showing gross wages and contribution shares. Make sure to note wage thresholds and contribution percentages so you can enter accurate data when applying. This gets you ready to actually request an ESI number without delays. You now complete the registration process on the ESI portal. Start by filling employer registration and adding employee records precisely, then upload scanned documents like the canceled check and establishment proof. After submission, verify the application using OTP or the authorized signatory's digital signature. This step confirms identities and prevents rejection. Once verified, track the application status via the portal and respond promptly if the inspector requests additional documents. This ensures receipt of the official ESI number for payroll integration. You'll use the issued ESI number in payslips, monthly returns, and remittance challenges immediately. Make sure to map it into payroll so employee deductions and employer contributions post correctly, otherwise benefits and claims fail. Keep precise records, as inspections may require 5 years of returns and payment proofs. If the number is incorrect or portal shows mismatch, first reconcile bank challenges and return entries. Then escalate with the ESI help desk or local office, providing screenshots and transaction ID for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.